welcome back to new video guys, and now we are in the nature's park. So today I have 5 destinations to cover, that are the sanctuary that are now we are in, and the lovers point, and some mountain and forests. Look at those mountains and the greenery. Some construction and new plantations are going on here. So we will be going to the emu part. Look at these giant birds, and why are they so large and furry? I don't know, man. We have to find it. Look at these birds, they have red eyes, they can take your finger. You can book these in online websites. Guys, look at this beautiful village. We're just now at a village which is nearby to a waterfall, and look at this mountain. So we are gonna walk up to the lovers point, which is also a steep rock and waterfall. I can hear the sounds. Could you? Yes. Let's walk up quickly. I can see the muddy river, man. The water, can you? Yeah, they are just right. Yes, man. We're heading towards it. I wanna trek here. Please, somebody get me to the peak of the mountain. Look, it rained yesterday. And how's the road? Just a laterite, red soil here. Wild people. There's my family. My uncle, auntie, and cousins. Whoa! What's that, man? What insect is some sounding? Hey, brother. Say hi to the people. Nobody should touch the water, it's too dirty. Okay. Look at this place, man. Wow. Nice. We will be getting closer. Then I will show you. Let's get in the mountain, man. We have to run because time is very less. Time is running. Oh. Do you see that beehive? Oh, we have to get more upper than up. Let's see you in the peak. For sure, we have reached the wild, man. Yeah, god damn it. Yeah, this forest, some rocks, and the peak up here. It's inaccessible totally. I want a parkour, man. Let's see if we can. Oh, okay, not so safe. There's the muddy water. We will be getting to it, but this was the first location that we should explore. So we will be go down and recording soon. So let's explore this river, man. There are tribals bathing up. We're not gonna show them. And here's the river. The flow is greater. We shouldn't touch the water. We should just take a circle around. This is unsafe totally, man. Never take risk. Take risk when you have your equipment and you are safe. The jungle, the river.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something that fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something that fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming, leaving where we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something that fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say